This anger and outrage after Dutch national accused of pedophilia, Will Hume, walked out of jail today because the police failed to file a charge sheet against him.
Well, they were given 80 days to do so and they failed. He was arrested for uploading child pornography using Indian children on the net. Where does this case go from here? Sam Daniel reports.
The Dutch national Will Hume, accused of pedophilia and child pornography using Indian orphans, granted bail. Reason? Chennai police has not been able to file Hume's charge sheet even 80 days after arresting him. The police say forensic examination of the evidence in cases such as these required time and argue it's more a case of thorough investigation than shoddy investigation.
It's not at all a delay. We are just waiting for the report from the FSL, so you can't say it's a delay. And that has nothing to do with the strength of the case. The case is quite strong. See, that is why we are waiting for this FSL report, Forensic Science Lab report. And once it comes, I think the case will be very strong.
Will Hume, a social worker from Holland, made India his home 30 years ago. He started an orphanage in Mahabalipuram, where in 2002 he was accused of sexually abusing some children. That case was still in court when in November 2009, the police found he was uploading child pornography pictures on the net from home and arrested him.
Child sexual abuse charges against a person who is maybe a repeat offender needs to be looked at differently in the whole judicial process.
It's a closely watched first of its kind case after the amendment to the IT Act, and pressure is mounting on the Chennai police to make sure Will Hume is brought to justice. In Chennai with camera person Sukumar, Sam Daniel, for NDTV.
Tuba.com